Bianca. Kasi napapanood ka namin sa TV and ang napapansin namin, people like you kasi hindi ka push over na tao. Hindi mo hinahayaan yung mga tao na you put them on their place, yung ibang tao. So, may boses ka. Yun yung gusto ng mga tao sa'yo. So, yung question ko kasi parang dito yung character ni Karina is ibang-iba, opposite nung character mo sa totoong buhay. So, ano yung mga adjustments na ginawa mo para mabigyan mo ng buhay si Karina na isang parang big person and at the same time, meron bang parang redemption yung character niya?
Maraming salamat po for that observation and I'm very grateful na nakita din po ninyo noon. I believe bilang isang aktor at kung gaano ko po kamahal ang ginagawa kong pag-arte, yun naman po ang aking goal sa bawat role na gagawin ko. The goal is for them to always look different, feel different. The goal is for all of them to not look like Bianca at all. At hindi po siya madaling proseso. Kasama po yun sa kapag sinasabi po namin na napakadami po ng pinagdaanan ng pelikulang ito. Totoo po yun. That's why it also took so long before it was possible to show. Ako po, to prepare for Alma, unang-una sa lahat, I went through multiple script readings with Direk Adolf also. Nakailang meeting din po kami about this. I was in communication with my producer also para po sa pelikulang ito. So I know ano po ba yung mga kailangan, ano po yung mga maitutulong ko rin po to make things easier or for me to do more than what I am expected to do from my part as an actor. To prepare for my role also, I did go through, aside from the workshops that was given to us as an ensemble, I also had workshops po for myself together with my acting coach, Jay Cruz. We had just a day of workshop before we had to leave for City Hall. Pero habang nasa City Hall po, honestly, hindi ko rin po gaano sila nakausap ng mga oras na yun because that was what the role needed. I tried to really exclude myself from the attention and I wanted to feel what the world of Miss Nora and my character feels like because it's a really dark place to be in and it wasn't easy to go in and out of sa totoo lang po but I'm happy nung napanood ko na lumabas na siya, napapanood na rin siya ng mga tao ngayon. Kahit na hindi siya nagsasalita, for you to actually build and imagine na ito yung mundo ko, ito yung ginagawa namin ng nanay ko, ito yung pinaniniwalaan namin, at kung paano nila ako nakikita, at kung ano yung mga mangyayari. It took so much, but I am proud of this movie. Kasi nga po, sa dami ng pinagdaanan, I know that I was able to fulfill my part as an actor. And it's a bonus to be with Miss Nora in it, who is acting alongside myself. It was a journey, and actually I can go on and on talking about what the process or what my process would be. Pero salamat po. Yun naman po ang goal for noticing na every character of mine is really different from the previous. Salamat po.
Ibang-iba talaga si Karina sa pinapakita mo rin sa mga tao.
Opo, maraming salamat po.
Salamat.
With this po, Bianca, parang siyempre Best Dramatic Actress kayo sa International Award. Paano mo na tinitake yung mga magiging next projects mo?
Sa totoo lang, hindi naman po nagbago. It made me more hungry. It made me more curious as to what else I can do and how I can improve myself to be more capable of bigger roles and more impactful roles. Kaya nga po nang ina-explain ko po kanina, mahal ko pong ginagawa ko eh. Alam ko po na isa po akong aktor. Kaya po ang goal ay, kung papalarin man, ay maging katulad po ng isang Miss Nora Honor na umaarte pa rin hanggang ngayon at walang kupas na napakahusay. Ako po bilang si Bianca Umali na aktor, alam ko that I will go always the extra mile for the roles that I am given. As long as I am trusted. Para po dito sa Manambal, maliban po sa immersion ko, maliban sa workshops ko into the character, I even had to go up until the fact that I even darkened my skin color for the role just to match the environment, just to match the world. And I'm always willing to do more and more and more. And I will never stop being curious. And I will never stop being excited po na umarte at ipagmalaki ang pelikulang Pilipino.